DIY furniture, upcycling and refurbishing ideas. Do you have old furniture lying around that you just can't bring yourself to throw away? Or maybe you're looking for a way to give your home a new look without spending a fortune on new furniture. Upcycling and refurbishing old furniture might be just the solution you're looking for. Not only is it an eco-friendly way to reuse old materials, but it also allows you to create unique, personalized pieces that reflect your personal style. In this article, we'll explore some creative DIY furniture ideas for upcycling and refurbishing old pieces. Paint it. One of the easiest ways to give old furniture a new lease on life is by giving it a fresh coat of paint. Whether you're going for a bold, bright color or a more subdued neutral tone, a new coat of paint can completely transform an old piece. Make sure to prep the surface properly by sanding and cleaning it thoroughly before applying the paint. You can also experiment with different techniques such as distressing, stenciling, or adding patterns with tape. Reupholster it. Another way to give old furniture a new look is by reupholstering it. This can be a bit more challenging than painting, but with some patience and a bit of skill, it can be a rewarding project. You can choose to use traditional upholstery fabrics or get creative with unexpected materials like burlap, old denim jeans, or even vintage scarves. Just make sure to measure and cut the fabric carefully to ensure a snug fit. Add some hardware. Changing out the hardware on a piece of furniture can give it an entirely new look. You can swap out old knobs or pulls for more modern or unique options. Alternatively, you can add decorative metal brackets or corner pieces to dress up a plain piece. This is a relatively easy DIY project that can make a big impact. Decoupage it. Decoupage is a technique where you glue paper or fabric onto a surface and then seal it with a protective coat. This is a great way to add a personal touch to an old piece of furniture. You can use images from magazines or old books, or even print out your own designs onto paper. Just make sure to choose a sealant that will protect the surface from wear and tear. Add some legs. If you have a piece of furniture that's just a little too short or squat, you can add some legs to give it a boost. You can find furniture legs online or at your local hardware store. Choose legs that are the appropriate height and style for your piece. Once you attach them, you'll have a piece of furniture that looks entirely different. Mix and match. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles of furniture. You can create an eclectic, personalized look by combining old and new pieces, or by mixing different styles and colors. Just make sure that the overall look is cohesive by using a common color scheme or repeating a particular pattern or texture throughout the space. Use unexpected materials. Upcycling is all about finding creative ways to reuse old materials. Instead of buying new hardware or upholstery fabric, consider using unexpected materials. For example, you could use old leather belts to create a unique woven seat on a chair, or use scrap pieces of wood to create a rustic, patchwork tabletop. In conclusion, upcycling and refurbishing old furniture is a fun, creative way to breathe new life into old pieces. Whether you're painting, reupholstering, or adding hardware, there are countless ways to customize old furniture to suit your personal style. And not only is it an eco-friendly way to reuse old materials, but it's also a budget-friendly way too.